cross-section of a nerve, right? And you guys understand, like, how they're sectioning a nerve. What it means when we're saying cross-section of a nerve. You guys all understand this? Like, so, if you can imagine, the nerve is like a tube, right? What they've done is they cut a section this way, like in half this way, and let's just say we'll use this front surface. They cut it this way, and now we see this, right? This flat surface here, and that's what we're looking at now. Okay, so based on like what I told you, can you identify? We'll just start from the outermost edge. Okay, so what is this pink stuff out here, or what layer of the nerve is that?
Epineuria.
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 Let me zoom in real quick. So, epineurum is the outermost layer of the nerve, right? It's kind of hard to see, but there's this really thin pink line that goes all the way around this purple area. You guys also kind of see it?
Yeah.
What layer is that? That's the perineurium. And then the last layer is really going to be hard to distinguish, but it's essentially most of this pink stuff all in here is what layer?
Endoneurium.
Endoneurium. We're going to zoom back out. Alright. These large purple circles, there's this one and then there's half of one here. What structure are those? Fascicles. And fascicles are the perineurium and a bunch of other structures which we'll get into when we zoom in. These purple lines, right? That was the endoneurium, right? So what is this? Let's look at this one right here. There's this kind of white circle right here. What is that?
Myelin.
The myelin sheath. It's also like the cytoplasm of the Schwann cell, because the myelin sheath is found within the cytoplasm of the Schwann cell. And then this dot in the middle is then what? Axon. Right? If this outer area surrounding it is the myelin sheath, and this is the axon. So all these dots and this white area, okay, these are myelinated axons. And there's hundreds and hundreds of them. So each fascicle, zoom out again, is composed of hundreds and thousands of axons, right, surrounded by the perineurium. So the perineurium is included within the fascicle as well. Some other things also. What are these structures right here? They're kind of like this densely lined structure right there, that circle. Yeah, so those are the blood vessels.
Can you point at it again?
Right here. This circle right here. And when you look on the slide, it's a pretty like thick, like kind of membrane or line around the circle. So how many people know all that stuff and have looked at this slide? Pretty confident about it. Are you still taking pictures? All right. I'll leave it up there.
I was looking further right from a myelin sheath, but wasn't the
So the myelin sheath is found in the cytoplasm of the Schwann cell, right? Because the Schwann cells are producing the myelin. So they just pack it in layers within their cytoplasm.
Does anyone know how to zoom on an HTC?
No?
They're so smart.
Myelin sheath. I asked you for the cell though. Okay, so for the central nervous system, we have myelinated axon. Now, the oligodendrocytes that do that, they don't myelinate the axons in the same way. The Schwann cell, the whole entire cell wraps around the axon. The oligodendrocytes send out projections, like arms, that actually myelinate parts of the axon. So it's not the entire cell. You won't see the nucleus of the body. They just extend out like parts of their cytoplasm as myelinated, and they wrap around, like arms around the axon. So there's really nothing. We don't have any slides that will show the myelinated like central nervous system.
How do you access
What's the function? Well, what benefit does that structure have for the axon or the nerve? No, I said what's the benefit of having? I pointed to the myelin sheath and I said what's the benefit of having this structure around the axon?
Doesn't it protect it instead?
Yeah, it increases the speed of conduction. Right? Or I can ask you the type of conduction that occurs along this type of axon.
Solitary.
Saltatory conduction. Right? So I mean,